So now, since we have installed MySQL, we need to load the IMDB dataset that we have. So we have given a file called imdb.sql here, the imdb.sql, right? Please download this file from the description section here, right? In the description section of this video, you'll find this imdb.sql. Please download it and store it in some location. But remember the location that you have stored it, right? Because we will use this file, because this file has all the data that we need to put into the IMDB database, right? So just remember where you have downloaded and the location of the imdb.sql file that is there in the description section of this video. Now again, as we have seen in the last video, we'll just go to MySQL command line client, right? Here I need to enter my root password, right? Whatever root password I gave. Here now first I'll create a database, right? First we have to create a database called IMDB. To do that, I will use this command called create database IMDB. So here what I'm saying, I'm saying create. Create is a keyword in SQL. So is the keyword database. So create database. The name of the database is in small alphabet IMDB. It will just say query OK, right? So now the database is created. Now I want to use this database, right? And I want to go into the database, into this IMDB database, and load all the information. To do that, I say use IMDB, right? Colon at the end. So it says database changed, right? So the database that I am using now is my IMDB database, as you can see here. Now the next thing that I'll do here is I'll say source, right? And I'll paste the location of my imdb.sql, right? My imdb.sql is in this location. My imdb.location, after I've downloaded it, I've placed it in this location. So I'm saying source and the location of the .sql file. Now this, once I press enter here, it'll take some time. So basically what it's doing is the SQL file, the imdb.sql file has a bunch of SQL commands that it runs to store the data or to load the data into a database. And this will take some time. Please give it some time to load all of the database, all of the tables, all of the rows and columns, everything into your database. It will take some time, but you got to be a little patient. Okay, let it run. And again, the time it takes depends a lot on the system that you have, on the hard disk you have, and things like that. So give it some time and it will finally be executed.